Black Friday is officially next week, but there are already a ton of great sales going on right now. So let's take a look at what some of the top travel gear brands are doing for this year's sale. Also, be sure to use my affiliate links in the description below, as well as any codes I may have, because that will give you the best price when checking out.
First up, we have the Australian carry brand Alpaka. And you've definitely seen them a lot on this channel, and that's because they make great products at really affordable prices, especially when you consider the materials that they use. Now is an awesome time to check out Alpaka because you can save up to a staggering 50% off their products. For instance, their Metro backpack, which I previously reviewed, comes in at just $49 US, which is absolutely insane. The Alpaka Black Friday deals run until December 1st. Next up is the San Francisco-based carry brand Air. And Air is just the coolest of the cool. Their stuff is hip, it's stylish, and it's honestly some of the best travel gear that you can buy. Air is running a great little promotion for Black Friday where everything on their site is 20% off with the code SAVE20. Air makes one of my all-time favorite backpacks, the City Pack Pro 2, and I highly suggest checking out that bag during this promotion. You will not regret it. It is a classic for a reason. Air's Black Friday deals run November 24th to December 1st. Now we have another Australian carry brand called Bellroy. And Bellroy is going to be the most popular brand on this list. They make really fun bags that experiment in colorway and different fabrics, and they're just such a creative and on-trend brand. Bellroy will be offering a site-wide discount of 25% off, or if you subscribe to their newsletter, you're going to get 30% off. Their Black Friday deals will run until December 3rd. Next up is another San Francisco-based carry brand called Pioneer. And Pioneer started by making really durable wallets, but has since gotten into sling bags and backpacks over the past couple years. They have really cool chunky zippers that they use on their products, which I am a huge fan of. Pioneer in general is honestly just one of my favorite brands, and I really love their lineup of backpacks right now, which includes this brand new everyday carry Ray Pack, which was just released this summer. Their products are a little pricey, so Black Friday is going to be a great opportunity to get some on the cheap. Pioneer does things a little bit differently. All you need to do is sign up on their website, and then on November 28th, you're going to be emailed a generous discount code. Next is the California-based carry brand Tomtoc. And Tomtoc is a huge crowd favorite because they make really nice products for super affordable prices. It's actually crazy how good Tomtoc products are for the price that you pay. One of my favorite Tomtoc backpacks is the Navigator T66, which is a 40-liter travel backpack under $90 US. And I've taken this bag on so many trips and it has held up so well. For Black Friday, Tomtoc is pulling out all the stops, discounting their products up to 50% off. Seriously, such amazing deals here that you're going to be able to enjoy through December 1st. Last on our list is the California-based carry brand Tortuga. And Tortuga is a smaller sized brand that focuses on extremely detailed yet minimalist travel gear that holds up so well against the wear and tear of traveling. I've really enjoyed testing out Tortuga bags since I started this channel, and one of my favorite bags is their expandable backpack. Right now, they have some early Black Friday deals running, including $50 off the aforementioned expandable backpack. But Tortuga's best deals are going to be running from November 28th to December 1st, so be sure to check back then for even deeper discounts.
So what do you think of this Black Friday list? If I missed anything, please be sure to put it in the comments below. Are you guys buying anything this year? Also, let me know in the comments. And before we go, let's quickly talk about this album right here, which I've been listening to a lot this week. This is A Jolly Christmas from Frank Sinatra. And for me, the Rat Pack is kind of synonymous with holiday music. Frank and Dean put out so many good holiday songs and albums. This one's gonna be my favorite from Frank. It's really unique in that in this kind of era in the 50s and 60s, a lot of these holiday albums actually split up with side A and side B being holiday tracks on one side and then your more religious tracks on the other side, which is kind of interesting. So on this album in particular, on the A side you have things like Jingle Bells, Christmas Song, Mistletoe and Holly. And then on side 2 or side B, you're gonna have things like The First Noel, Hark the Herald Angels Sing, A Little Town of Bethlehem. So it's a cool way to kind of split it up for your listening experience to kind of have those two separate sides. But yeah, honestly, Frank is the best of the best when it comes to holiday music, and this really does get me into that kind of holiday spirit. But yeah, what are you guys listening to? What kind of holiday albums do you put on this time of year? Also, let me know in the comments below. So with that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.